In this video, I'll show you how to create Shopify collections. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, click Products, then select Collections. Next, click Create Collection. Enter a title and description that clearly describe the group of products you want to display. After that, choose the collection type. Select Manual if you want to add products yourself, or choose Automated to have Shopify add products based on conditions like product title, tag, price, or inventory. Now, if you're creating a manual collection, click Browse and select the products you want to include. If you're using an automated collection, configure the conditions that products must meet to be added automatically. Next, upload a collection image if you'd like, review your settings, and click Save. Finally, add the collection to your store's navigation or homepage so customers can easily find it while browsing your products. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create Shopify collections. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.